Hi guys, this is Immad from Charcoal and Gravel, and we're here at MOB today, and we're here to try this special burger. It's called the Special One, and let's see how special it is. Come. So guys, we're here at MOB, and today we're gonna try this burger. It's called the Special One. So what do we know about this burger? So it has a lot of melted cheese in it, it has pepperonis in it, it has a beef patty obviously, and I cannot wait to try this, man. I've heard so much about it. Facebook make video with here, it's goddamn amazing. So let's try that. This looks good. It has all the right ingredients. So without wasting more time, we're just gonna dig in. It is a special one, definitely. And it's giving me meat sweats, like I'm sure you can see by my face. I don't think I can finish this, but I will. It's very well cooked and just the way I like it. Juiciest.